This is BBC Radio 4, where now it's time for the shipping bulletin issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 today, Thursday, the 21st of August. The general synopsis at midnight. High southeast Iceland, 1028, slow moving and declining, expected Bailey, 1023 by midnight tonight. New low expected Scotland, 1020 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira. Northerly or northwesterly, 4 to 6. Showers, good. South Utsira. Northerly or northwesterly, 5 to 7. Showers, good. 40s. Northwesterly, 3 to 5. Occasionally 6 in the east. Showers, good. Cromarty. Northwesterly, 2 to 4. Occasionally 5 in the east. Becoming variable 3 or less at times in the west. Fair, good. Fourth time. North or northeast 2 to 4. Occasionally 5 at first, becoming variable 3 or less. Showers, good. Dogger. North backing northwest 3 to 5. Occasionally 2 later in the west. Mainly fair, good. Fisher. Northwest 4 to 6. Occasionally 7 later. Fair, good. German Bight. Northeasterly 4 to 6. Occasionally 3 at first and 7 later in the north. Fair, good. Humber, Thames, Dover, east white. North or northeast, backing northwest later in Humber, 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first. Fair, good. West white, Portland, Plymouth. North or northeast, 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4. Mainly fair, moderate or good. Biscay, north or northeast, backing northwest at times, 3 to 5. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Fitzroy. Northerly 2 to 4, increasing 5 or 6 at times in the far southeast, becoming variable 3 or less later in the west. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Shoal, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. Variable, mainly northeast at first, 2 to 4, mainly fair, good. Shannon, South Rockall. Variable, 3 or less, fair, good. North Rockall, easterly veering southerly or southeasterly 2 to 4, mainly fair, moderate or good. Malin, variable 3 or less, fair, good. Hebrides, northeast 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less, fair, good. Bailey, variable becoming mainly southeast later 2 to 4, rain in the west later, moderate or good. Fair Isle, northerly or northwesterly 2 to 4, occasionally 5 in the east. Showers, good. And Faroes, southeast Iceland. Variable 4 or less, mainly fair, good. Now here are the weather reports from coastal stations for 0400. Tyree automatic. Northeast 2, 12 miles, 1020, falling slowly. Stornoway, north by east 3, 16 miles, 1021, falling slowly. Lerwick, northwest by north 3, 30 miles, 1019, falling slowly. Lucas, west by south 2, 19 miles, 1021, falling slowly. Bridlington, north by east 3, 1018, falling slowly. Sandeti light vessel automatic, northeast by north 6, 11 miles, 1013. Greenwich light vessel automatic, north by east 5, 5 miles, 1014. Jersey, north 3, 14 miles, 1015, falling slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, northeast 5, 5 miles, 1016. Scilly automatic, northeast by north 2, 13 miles, 1018, falling slowly. Valencia, east-northeast 1, 19 miles, 1020, falling slowly. Ronaldsway, north 2, 16 miles, 1020, falling slowly. And Malin Head, south by east 2, 24 miles, 1020, falling slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours. The general situation. Slow-moving high pressure centred near Iceland will continue to dominate the United Kingdom's weather with mostly fair conditions and lighter winds. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Northerly or northwesterly 2 to 4, but variable 3 or less at times in the south. Fair, good. From Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Variable, occasionally north or northwest 2 to 4. Mainly fair, good. From Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. North or northeast 3 or 4, becoming variable 2 or 3. Showers, good. From Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Northerly or northeasterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 at first in the south, becoming variable 2 to 4 later in the north. Showers, good. From Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Northerly or northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first in the south, veering northwesterly 2 to 4 later. Showers, good. From North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Northerly or northeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first in the east, becoming variable 2 to 4 later. Showers, good. From Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. Northeasterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 at first in the east, becoming variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. From Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. North or northeast 3 or 4, becoming variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. From Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. North or northeast 3 or 4, becoming variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. From St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. From Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. The Isle of Man. East becoming variable, then west or southwest later 3 or less. Fair, good. From Lochfoyle to Carlingford Loch. Variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. From the Mull of Galloway to the Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and the North Channel. Variable becoming mainly northwest later 2 or 3. Fair, good. From the Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Variable becoming mainly northwest later 2 or 3. Fair, good. From the Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Variable becoming mainly northwest later 2 or 3. Fair, good. From Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. North or northeast, occasionally variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. And the Shetland Isles. North or northwest 4 or 5. Occasionally 3 at first. Showers, good. And that completes the shipping bulletin.